Hi, welcome to the Jerry Lynch Show. This is me feeding my birds. Big mama right there. So I got these chips. Watch this. Watch. Look at that. Oh, other one coming in. Look at that big one. Holy moly. Right in the center of your screen now. That's huge. This is what I like doing up here. I like feeding my birds. Look at them all. I always said to my mom and to my dad, when I pass this is what I'm coming back as. This or a crow. I'm not coming back as no eagle, stupid shit like that. I'll come back as one of these, a seagull or a crow. Boy, he's a big one. Oh, getting every crumb, look. Write in the comments below how heavy you think he is. My favorite is crows, or as some of you guys calls them, ravens. Or maybe you got another name on them, you know, all depends wherever you are in the world. What do you call these birds? Drop your comments in below. Tell me where you're from and what do you call them. Here in Newfoundland we call them seagulls. Seagulls. That's what we call them here in Newfoundland. Oh.
Jerry Lynch!
Hello.
Let's go over and have a chat with Jerry.
I'm doing a YouTube video.
On the Facebook Live. Can I get in it?
Huh?
Get on YouTube. Hey Jerry, what are you at?
Hello.
Hello YouTube.
Alright guys, I gotta go. Love you. Bye.